In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell upgrade memberships in Circle. So, this is a fantastic way to offer more exclusive content or features to your members and enhance their community experience. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's dive right in. To start, you'll need to log into your Circle.so admin account. It's important to make sure you have the correct access to manage memberships, so double check your permissions if things don't look right. Once you're logged in, head straight to the settings section by clicking the Settings tab. You'll find a few different options here, but we're going to focus on payments and then plans. This is your hub for all things related to membership plans. Next, you're going to create a new plan. Click on Create Plan and fill in the necessary details, like the plan name, price, and access level. When thinking about your pricing strategy, consider what works best for your community and audience. Once you've input all the details, click Save to ensure all your hard work is not lost. It's always a good habit to double check each field before saving. After your plan is saved, it's time to set up access for your spaces. Navigate to your spaces, select the space you're working with, and head over to the settings section there too. You'll find an access option where you can manage who gets to see what. Here, you'll toggle the option to require paid plan, then select the new upgrade membership plan you just created. This step is crucial as it directly links your plan to the space, ensuring only those who've upgraded can access the exclusive content. Remember to hit Save Changes, otherwise your members won't see the update. Now let's get your plan out there. Sharing the checkout link is the next step. First, go back to Payments, then Plans, and locate the link you need. Copy this link and you're ready to share it across various platforms. Think your website, emails, or even your member portal. It's a good idea to make it as visible and easy to find as possible, so interested members don't miss it. For those already in your community, upgrading should be straightforward. When they click the upgrade link, they'll complete their payment via Stripe, which offers a secure and trusted process. It's always beneficial to provide clear instructions or support if anyone needs it during the step. Finally, you'll want to verify that the upgrades are successful. Head back to your members area, select the member in question, and check their plans or access settings to confirm they now have the upgraded access. Keeping an eye on these transitions helps maintain a smooth and satisfying experience for your members. And there you have it. You're now equipped to offer upgrade memberships in Circle, so enhancing the value you provide to your community. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials!